Today I want to talk about 3 mistakes filmmakers are making in 2019. Number 1. What's up guys, this is Qazi. Welcome to another epic series, 2-Minute Motivation Monday. I'm gonna keep it lean, I'm gonna keep it tight. I know you had an epic weekend, now you're back at work. I'm gonna give you something that can lift you up so you can hit the ground running. And before we get to that, I just wanna take a second to say, if you wanna take your color grading game to the next level, which you should, then check out the link in the description below. 1 hour, intense color grading training. You do not wanna miss that. And guys, on that note, hit the thumbs up if you're enjoying the content, subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness, and make sure to follow me on Instagram, and let's roll the intro. Today I want to talk about 3 mistakes filmmakers are making in 2019. Number 1, quantity is the enemy. False. In the internet age, content is king and quantity matters. You have to stay relevant, you have to stay current, and you have to follow the trends. Social media drives majority of the content that's being put out today. Number 2, irrelevant content. What I mean by that is that even new filmmakers out there, they have too much pride and they think their idea is worth $1 million. Guys, you gotta have some humility, and here's a pro tip. If you wanna be noticed, I would say make a short film about Me Too or Black Lives Matter and see what happens. You're gonna blow up because it's relevant, it's important. This is what's happening right now. So think about that. And if you're a creative person, then it shouldn't be hard to come up with an idea with a given topic. Number 3, being a perfectionist. This concept is the biggest out there because it doesn't matter how much time you spend on something. If you're a creative, you know what I'm talking about. You're gonna put out something and a week later you're gonna look at it and there's 20 things that you wanna change. And this is a problem that a lot of huge agencies are having because they're charging $6 million to do one commercial, whereas another small shop is gonna charge $150,000 to do 40 micro contents that they're gonna disperse everywhere. LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. It's gonna go viral and the ROI on it is gonna be massive. Moral of the story is get out there, get your hands on any and everything, work for free, practice makes perfect, guys, and eventually your 30% is gonna be somebody else's 150%. Work hard, get obsessed, get possessed. I hope you guys enjoyed the tips and tricks. Leave a comment below, would love to hear from you. Whether you loved it or hate it, I welcome everything. And on that note, my colorist friends, check out that link down below. You do not want to miss it. 1 hour of super beefy training that's going to take you from not knowing anything about Resolve all the way to grading your first professional project. And guys, hit the thumbs up if you're enjoying the content. Subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. And I will see you guys in the next video.